Hello, how are you all, my beautiful viewers? I hope you all are fine and doing well. I'm your favorite physicist and YouTuber. My name is Sayyida Fatma Rizvi, and I bring for you people the very interesting and informative video of physics. Today, our topic is about damped oscillations. So oscillations means the vibrations that the body keep on vibrating to and fro from the mean position. Like we take everyday examples from our daily life, like the fan which keep on oscillating or vibrating. This is the daily life example. Similarly, we can take the example of the ringing bell or the pendulum or a ball. So their vibrations or their oscillations keep on reducing, okay, with the time, due to which force? Due to the force of friction. Okay, today we are going to study about the damped oscillations, right? So let's start. First of all, we will study what is damped oscillation. Have you people heard about oscillations? Yes, I have told you about that. So we would study about damped oscillation. That means that something keep on reducing. That means that something keep on reducing. So we would study about the definition. Further, the oscillation of the system in the presence of some resistive force is known as damped oscillation. It means that the system which is oscillating to and fro, and its oscillation decrease in the presence of some resistive force, okay, some sort of force which resist the motion of the body is known as the resistive force. So the oscillation of the system in the presence of the resistive force is known as damped oscillations, right? Okay, further we'll study the frictional effects and damped oscillations. Okay, so the damped oscillation are caused by the frictional effects of the forces. Okay, so further we will study the theory of it. Practically in all systems, the force of friction retards the motion, so the system do not oscillate indefinitely. Okay, because of the force of friction, the body would stop its oscillation. The body would stop its vibrations or motion. For example, in case of the fan, due to the presence of the frictional force, the fan just stop its motion or they stop its oscillation. Similarly, we can take the example of the ball keep on vibrating or oscillating. So similarly, due to the presence of the frictional force, the ball will reduce its motion. So let's study further. The friction reduces the mechanical energy of the system as the time passes, okay, and the motion is said to be damped. So the motion mechanical energy of the system keep on reducing due to the presence of what? Due to the presence of some resistive force which is known as the friction, and the friction reduces the mechanical energy of the system as the time goes on, and the motion is said to be damped. So this is the example that the damped oscillation is caused by the frictional effect of the forces or the frictional forces. So let's study further frictional effects and the damped oscillation. Damping progressively reduces the amplitude of the oscillation. Okay, this is the graph between the amplitude, the damp forces and the amplitude. Okay, so as you can see in the graph, as the time passes, the amplitude of the system decreases exponentially. Okay, the amplitude decreases with the envelope of the decreasing exponential because of the frictional forces in frictional force increases with the system, and as the frictional force increases, the amplitude of the system decreases with the time. You can see the vibration, the amplitude of the system force is at the highest peak, and then it's going lower and lower and lower. So the amplitude of the system decreases as the damping force increases. let's study about the examples of the damp oscillation. I have taken the examples of the fan, taken the example of the fan before. So the fan keep on oscillating or vibrating as the time passes on due to the frictional force. The motion of the fan reduces just because of the damping force or frictional force. Okay, so the motion of the fan stop, okay, due to the frictional force. So the damp oscillations are caused due to the frictional force. Similarly, we can take the example of the ringing bell. This ringing bell is used in the church, stuff like that. So ringing bell keep its working and keep its motion like it's ring like ten 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 and stuff like that. But when with the time, as the time passes, so the damping, its damping is caused due to the frictional force. The damp oscillations are caused, and the vibrations, the amplitude of the vibrations decreases. The amplitude of vibrations of the ringing bell decreases. Similarly, we can take the example of the mass attached to the spring. The mass is attached to the spring, as we can extend it and compress it, but due to the presence of the frictional force, the amplitude of the vibrations of mass attached to the spring decreases. Okay, and the damp oscillations are caused. Here, if we consider the ideal system, like we neglect the frictional force and we consider the ideal system like no frictional force is there, so no damp oscillations are caused. Remember, when the frictional force is present at any stage and any system, the frictional force, due to the frictional force, the damping oscillations are caused. One of the major example of the damp oscillation is the shock absorber. Shock absorber in automobiles are one practical example of the damp oscillation. Automobiles are like cars, like trucks, like what we can say, rickshaws, stuff like that. So shock absorber and automobile is one practical example of the damp motion. So let's see how it works. A shock absorber consists of the piston moving through a liquid such as the oil. So it is basically a device which consists of a piston and the liquid such as oil. Oil is a liquid basically. So the upper part of the shock absorber is firmly attached to the body of the car. When the car travels over the bump of the road, the car may vibrate violently. You can see that as the car travels towards the bump of the road, the car may vibrate violently. So the upper part of the shock absorber is attached to the body of the car. It's the construction of the shock absorber. The shock absorber damp these vibration and convert their energy into the heat energy of oil. So the shock absorber absorb these sort of vibration, like as the car travel towards through the bump of the road. So these this shock absorber absorb these sort of violent vibrations and convert their energy into the heat energy of the oil. So this is the construction of the shock absorber. As you can see the piston, and then you can see the liquid. So this is all about the construction of the shock absorber. So the shock absorber is attached in almost all the cars, and it helps the car to absorb all these violent vibrations that as the car passes through the bump of the road. So and convert this energy into the heat energy of the oil. So this is these are all the examples of the damp oscillations. We have studied about the damp oscillation, the oscillations which are caused due to the frictional forces. Frictional or resistive forces are known as the damp oscillation, and we have studied the examples of the fan mass attached to the spring, and we have studied the example of the ball. So and the shock absorber. So these are the major examples of the damp oscillations. So damp oscillations are caused in these sort of system just due to the presence of frictional forces. So that's all about this video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please stay tuned and like, share and subscribe to my channel. Share my videos worldwide. Please spread the physics worldwide. It's my motive to spread, encourage, entertain, make the entertaining videos and the interesting videos, so that in order to make the physics subject more interesting. So please share my videos worldwide. I will give shout out to my beautiful viewers. So stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.